Hello, this is the Deep Dive. Today, we're going to thoroughly explore the recently much discussed dangerous drug ingredient, Etomidate. In this video, we'll explain why Etomidate has attracted so much attention in Japan, how it was discovered, what countermeasures have been taken, and how it may impact our society and daily lives. We'll also delve into the history of dangerous drugs, international trends, the significance of regulations, and future challenges. 1. What is Etomidate? First, let's explain what Etomidate is. Etomidate is a drug originally used as an anesthetic induction agent in medical settings, but it is not approved as a pharmaceutical product in Japan. Why, then, has this substance become a concern as a dangerous drug? 2. Discovery in zombie tobacco. This month, a product containing Etomidate was discovered in Okinawa Prefecture. Overseas, this product is called zombie tobacco, and its unusual name has further fueled public anxiety. Zombie tobacco refers to the state in which users, due to the powerful pharmacological effects of Etomidate and similar substances, appear to move without their own will, their consciousness clouded. In fact, there have been numerous reports of health damage caused by products containing this substance abroad, and authorities in countries such as Thailand have issued strong warnings. 3. What are its effects? The main characteristic of Etomidate is its strong central nervous system depressant effect. Users experience intense drowsiness, and, in some cases, may even lose consciousness. This places it among the most potent of so-called dangerous drugs. Furthermore, the manufacturing process of such unapproved drugs is often opaque, and there is a high risk of contamination with impurities or harmful ingredients not listed on the label. In fact, many health problems are said to be caused by such impurities. 4. Japan's response. After Etomidate was discovered in Okinawa, the Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare responded very quickly. The substance was designated as a designated drug, and from May 26, its possession and use have been completely banned. A designated drug is a substance whose manufacture, import, sale, possession, and use are strictly regulated by law except for legitimate medical purposes. Violations are subject to criminal penalties. This swift response is rooted in lessons learned from past social problems caused by dangerous drugs. In the past, delays in regulation led to the spread of harm, so now, whenever a new drug is discovered, a system is in place to quickly bring it under legal control. 5. The history and social background of dangerous drugs. Let's briefly review the history of the dangerous drug problem. In the past, products called legal highs or herbal incense were widely available, and many young people misunderstood them as legal and therefore safe, leading to serious health and social problems. Although stricter regulations temporarily calmed the situation, manufacturers began to develop new drugs by slightly altering chemical structures, resulting in a cat-and-mouse game. Etomidate is one of these new types of dangerous drugs. The more regulations are tightened, the more manufacturers develop new substances to evade the law. How to keep pace with this rapid cycle is a major challenge for modern society. 6. International trends and Japan's response. Dangerous drugs containing Etomidate are also a major international problem. Especially in Asian countries, new drugs are distributed by exploiting regulatory loopholes, causing widespread health damage. In Japan, the Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare and the National Police Agency are strengthening international information sharing and border control measures. When such substances are discovered domestically, they are quickly investigated and designated as controlled substances to prevent their distribution. 7. Why do people use drugs even knowing the risks? Let's consider a more fundamental question. Why do people use such dangerous drugs even when they know the risks? There are various social and psychological factors behind this, such as feelings of social isolation or loneliness, mental stress or suffering, economic hardship or anxiety about the future, the desire to escape reality or seek excitement. Additionally, misinformation such as legal, safe, or easily obtainable spreads via social media and the internet, increasing the risk especially among young people. 8. The The significance and limits of regulation. The recent regulation of Etomidate is an important step to protect society from unknown threats. However, regulation alone cannot solve all the problems. Tackling drug issues requires not only enforcement but also education, awareness raising, support systems for consultation, and measures to prevent social isolation. A multifaceted approach is essential. Stronger regulations may also lead to the emergence of even more dangerous drugs or new distribution channels, so society as a whole must remain vigilant and flexible. 9. Future challenges and what we can do. There is no denying that new dangerous drugs may continue to emerge. Each of us needs to have accurate knowledge about drug risks and their social background, notice changes in those around us, and consult experts when necessary. Furthermore, building a society where people are not isolated, where they can seek help, and where mutual support is available is key to fundamentally solving the drug problem. 10. Summary. To summarize today's discussion, Etomidate is a dangerous drug with strong central nervous system depressant effects, and health damage has been reported both in Japan and abroad. Following its discovery in Okinawa, the Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare swiftly designated it as a controlled substance and banned its possession and use. While strengthening regulation is important, drug problems are rooted in social and psychological factors, and require multifaceted countermeasures. New dangerous drugs may continue to appear, and ongoing vigilance and support from society as a whole are essential.